Well, the core of the campaign is to basically get people to embrace the arts, because I really believe that the arts literally is the lifeblood of any community. I mean, communities flourish because of the arts. So, and in order to emphasize this, I wanted to, I kind of removed Shirley's heart, because she is so emotional. So without a heart, what would Shirley be without her soul? So I think that has a particular impact. And also then campaign, then I've created a kind of poster with a heart and merged the word art and celf, which is Welsh for art, together. And it's literally saying, embrace, love the arts, because without it, we are nothing. And to quote one of Shirley's songs, it's just an empty room full of empty space, which is one of the songs, famous songs from the 70s. So that again is a kind of mantra that I'm saying, which kind of relates to the sculpture and the fact that she has no heart. But she's also kind of in crescendo. She's in mid-song. Her mouth is open, but is also as if it's a call to arms. She's holding a spear like Boadicea. So it's a call to action for people to really acknowledge this, to embrace the arts, because it is the lifeblood of any community.